Okay, people, so you want to go to Google Images to start off, type on muzzle flash, and you want to somehow save it. If you have a Mac, you just drag it down there. Alright, now once you've done that, you want to go to After Effects, and you're going to want to drag this into there. Okay, now I'm just going to get some footage of this program called Action Essentials 2. I'm going to go to my folder, Downloads, Action Essentials 2, Video Tutorials, Footage, Machine Gun. Alright, now this isn't me, this is something I got. Okay, so you're going to want to enlarge this footage, enlarge it, right? Okay, now once you've done that, you're going to go to Add, alright, and then if you want to make it even more fancy, you can do this. So lighten up his face a little bit, I guess. I don't know what the heck I just did. So there you have it. Easy as that. Stay tuned for more. Obviously I didn't put much effort into this because it's, yeah. And if you want, I'll be making another video on how to get Action Essentials 2 for free. Alright? So stay tuned and thanks for